There's a new type of add-on and also upsell opportunity for real estate photographers, but a lot of real estate photographers don't know about this yet. So as you might recall, after the shakeup between Zillow and Matterport, following that acquisition by the CoStar Group, well, Matterport took a hit, but iGUIDE did something different. So iGUIDE is now providing an affordable option for site plans. And you can use these as an upsell, as an add-on, which creates a new revenue layer, and that's where things get interesting. Now, you might recall the video I did on that whole shakeup between Zillow and Matterport, and you're probably familiar with it too, where Zillow is no longer having any Matterport tours. But that doesn't apply to everybody. That's just Matterport because of a conflict of interest with CoStar. But when it comes to other professional high-end 3D tours, like for instance iGUIDE, that's different. And I have another video, by the way, on this particular PLANIX R1. That's one of the high-end cameras by iGUIDE that's kind of an all-in-one system where you can do not just virtual tours, but also floor plans, but now something different, and those are site plans. So as you probably know by now, floor plans are the most requested feature when it comes to home buyers, and that's why real estate agents have picked up on this. Adding that to an immersive 3D experience is really great. It gives you then also the tour capability with the floor plan. But now with the site plan, that takes things even further. So let's take a look at what this new feature is, and then also how you can use it as another add-on and upsell opportunity for an additional revenue stream. So you're probably familiar with this view. This is the tour view. This is using iGUIDE after a tour has been done. And we can see that we've got a floor plan over here, and we can see it as far as navigating. We can also change between floors. And while that's useful, this is what's been there for the longest time. This is really the floor plan option, which of course you can download. And when you do, you get a nice image that this is easily shareable. So no matter what platform, a JPEG like this or PNG, then you can share it anywhere on social media. It can easily then be distributed and syndicated out. But more so, when we go back to the tour, if you choose to have a site plan, you'll have another option down here called Site Plan. And what Site Plan does is that shows you the entire view. So it's very similar. Once again, you would be out here navigating around doing your regular tour, but what it's doing though is if you choose the Site Plan option, it creates the site plan, and from there then you can navigate around to the different areas. Well, that's useful. Just like the floor plans themselves, you can also download those like here. And we can see all the details that we have of the grass, the garden, where a little pool was located, the front of the house. And these are pretty high resolutions. There's a lot you could do, even if you needed to edit these yourselves, but also any type of media that you wanted to put these into. So it's more than just having something that's showing in your navigation, and it's more than just having a floor plan of the inside. This gives somebody the entire view of the property. So basically, in a single iGUIDE capture, you can produce not just the immersive walkthroughs, interior floor plans, but now also site plans. And that then helps your clients deliver a property's full scope that prospective buyers then can easily explore. For instance, not only do you have the options to see this type of navigation, but in the single deliverable, you also can provide the photos, you can provide any property video, you've got all these details that are just housed in one single deliverable. So it's more than just a tour now. It's, of course, got the photos and video and details and a map just like we've seen before. But now with the site plan option, well, that takes things to another level. But it is important to note that the iGUIDE site plans don't provide legal boundaries, measurements, or certifications, so they aren't really a substitute for professional land surveys. But when it comes to marketing a residential listing, that's really not as important. So making these site plans brings a value-add item to these listings. Now, site plans have been around for a very long time, and they've been used for eons, it seems like, when it comes to building new homes. It really shows an entire layout. But it was really out of reach for a lot of real estate agents to use because they would usually be very costly. So in the past, you would be able to get a site plan, just a real cheap one for like $150 to $300. And that would just really be made off of map data. You can find a bunch of these places online. They say, oh, we'll give it to you in 24 hours. Well, all they do is they just grab some map data and they just make a drawing over it. But that's not really accurate. If you wanted to get an accurate one, you might have to pay up to $1,500. But that's all different. So with the iGUIDE site plan, it costs just $35, 35 US dollars. That's it. That allows you to then price yours very competitively at easily $150 to $300 as an add-on on top of your regular floor plan and virtual tour package. The thing is too, this doesn't require really any more work on your end. As long as you're still doing scans on the outside of a property, then you've got all the information that iGUIDE needs to make a full site plan. So typically, you're going to be outside shooting anyways, especially something with a large property, to show where things are so you can tour around the property. Having that already in there, all you have to do is then just select the option that you want a site plan added to that particular iGUIDE tour. That's it. Now, site plans might not seem all that flashy, but these are critical add-ons and they're easy enough to do, and more importantly, it's something that your clients will like to have done also. If you have clients right now that like to have floor plans and also possibly 3D tours, site plans are something I'm almost guaranteed they'll want to also see. It's something you can offer once again as an additional add-on, but more importantly, by staying on top of technology, you prove to your clients that you're the photographer to hire because you are not just a photographer, you're also a full-service media provider.